Okay, for those that don't know how to link their Binance Exchange to the Hamster Kombat, just follow me. Let me show you how to do that now. So first, open your Hamster Kombat. Then go to this place. You have Airdrop. Click on Airdrop. Scroll down. It should take you. You see different exchanges here. I think I've done a different video for how to link to Bybit, but let's concentrate on Binance to the Binance Exchange. Click on Binance Exchange. You see these details. Do you have Binance account and all that? Click on yes, I have. That's if you have. But if you don't have, you should know what to do. Click on no, so you create another one. But since you have, click on yes, I have. It takes you to a space like this. So in here, what you need, what Binance need from you to link is your Hamster deposit address and your memo. That's all you will need. So to get this thing, it's very simple. Now we've seen what we need here: Hamster deposit address and your memo. So let's go back to your Binance. Over to your Binance. Wait for it to come up. And okay, it's up now. Then make sure you're on the home page side. Then let's search for Hamster here. Okay, so you see deposit Hamster. You click on it. You have the Ton coin here, which is the network. So you click on so click on OK. Then let's start with the deposit address. Click on it. You copy. All right. Minimize and go back to Hamster. Go back to so paste that thing you copied. That address you copied. Paste it here. Okay. Be sure the address is correct. Then okay, so since you've pasted the deposit address, all right, the next thing is to go and copy the memo. Now okay, let's go to Binance again. Then let's copy the memo, come back to Hamster and paste the memo here. So you can actually choose to confirm this thing. Check it very well. Make sure there's nothing missing, because if you miss anything from this address or from the memo, you will never get your Hamster withdrawal. All right, you will never receive anything from your airdrop also. So make sure everything is okay. The deposit address is correct. The memo is correct. Now the easiest way to verify this thing is to check the last number or the last letter on the address. If you see this one is NJB, you can go back to your Binance, look at it. It's the same thing, NJB. You come back on your memo, it's the same thing. You verify. This one is 4008. You come back to Hamster, you see it's 4008. So just verify these things first. Be sure that they are okay. So you can now click on save. Okay, so you can now click on save. Okay, so this is simple. Well done. Stay tuned with updates. Click on thank you. So you have successfully done your linking. You've linked your exchange wallet to Binance. You see the Binance is ticked here. So if you go back now, you see that Binance is ticked. So for some of you that did the earlier linking, the one who did at the earlier stage of this mining, you see your if you check, you see that on-chain airdrop will be ticked. Just this tick you are seeing on Binance here, you see it on-chain airdrop. So what you do, just click on reset, remove it first. Then once you click on reset, it will ask if you really want to reset your withdrawal option. You say yes, you click on it, then you'll be able to do this other linking. Now this does not apply to when you've used either of this exchange, Binance or any other exchange. Yeah, this is the first one we did that earlier stage, so you can actually change this one. But if you've used Binance or OKX, Bitbuy, if you've used any of them, you cannot change it again. So I will advise everybody to use either Binance or Bybit. Allow OKX, all right? But remember, OKX is no longer in Nigeria. Except in another country, you can go with OKX. And also, I won't advise you to use Telegram wallet, okay, for